Africa. Are you now Africa? Okay. You single or double? You single or double?
I'm in a relationship.
You want a rich king.
No, you have sometimes boyfriend? Oh, hell. You sometimes boyfriend. Your boyfriend.
No, not sometimes. Not sometimes. Always.
Always.
Yeah, me. I'm locked in.
Always. Okay, always. You go to your friend's house or your friend come your house?
My boyfriend.
Ah.
We go to each other's house.
A hotel.
No. No.
On
No
the road.
hotel. No
On the
hotel.
road. You and your friend tap on the road? Yalla.
I'm celibate.
Okay, I want help girl. Help. I want your or your friend girl woman or girl your friends or your help me in Africa. I want to go to America. Sponsor.
How am I supposed to help you?
Bro, married. I want married American Ajuz. Arogit. You know Arogit? Hello.
I wouldn't marry you so you can come to us.
No, not you. Not you.
You gotta figure that shit out on your own.
Listen. Not you. You have boyfriend. Not you. Another your friend. Ajuz. You know Ajuz? Sugar mom. Or single mom. No problem.
You know, we don't have in America. We don't have sugar moms.
No. 90% sugar mom.
90 years old.
19% in American girl. 19% single mom.
That's a granny.
You have a baby?
No. I don't want kids. No kids.
Okay, if me win, you stand up, African dance, okay? Punishment.
Good morning, Chad.
Baby, calm down.
I am calm.
Huh?
Thank you, my love.
No. Why? Are you crazy?
W level 11! Remy, you know if you sub to the chat, you can actually skip levels in the heartbeat. Like if you sub, it'll skip a few levels.
What is your smoking?
Well, now you're a 10, so it won't skip you. But if you're like lower than a 10, and then you sub, it skips your levels. So I think it might skip, like if you do end up subbing one day, it might skip you like 3 levels.
What is your smoking?
I don't smoke.
You?
I have asthma.
Galaxy okay manigani tikena.
Can we please snipe?
Family. Ewa, ino kono ba etara ol gargara. Kuma da biro ol tara ina deba.
Thank you.
What is that?
That's a rich boss.
Your boyfriend?
Wait, chat, look at his gallery. I didn't even realize he was an A2.
1-0, okay? 1-0. Okay?
Remy! Everybody tell me my screen. Thank you. Why he kissing on my jersey? I'm irritated.
Aku rasa deko.
Nah, for real, at this point, who got the title gifter though? Who got the title gifter though?
Kase dan nasi tu berbara you sir.
Dang, Remy passed out by a lot.
Bisham firi me. Boya. No.
Y'all making me nervous. Thank you.
What is going on? What is going on?
That's why someone's going to take mine. Nobody's taking my title because I'm going to go send somewhere. Is you cool?
Hey,
Remy kissing on me. Thank you, Remy. Bro, he has like 1,000 people in his chat. He has like 1,000 people in his chat, and like nobody. Hey, Kiki.
Beef tu badakal bahaya sejir sendem ni agama. Manu madam cuk kalam teh tahir sama manu madami. Ya?
Sav, you do be kissing me. Stop lying. Remy, thank you. Chat one more rose. Chat one more rose. Chat one more rose. One more rose. Savvy Pooh, send a rose real quick. Try one rose. They might try to snipe. I don't want them to snipe. Ciao, hey, can you tell them to come send me a rose real quick? If they help me win, I get you a best friend to take you to America.
Ada gede tuh tibe. Tapi korang together.
Hello?
Hello.
If they help me win, if they send me a diamond gun, I help you get a best friend. I need a diamond gun.
Diamond gun? Okay.
I need a diamond gun though.
She is you Florida jira ranjet. Florida. Family, amma yamo Florida jira jet. Let's go. She live in Florida. Family wal gargara ka walifan gargara amma no modenu adabde. Taga gadu. Hi.
Tell them I need a diamond gun though. Like I need a diamond gun to help you. Like if I don't get a diamond gun, then I can't help you.
Triple.
They don't have $50 to help you.
And in Grifa can dambe kulati bawale. My gifter want talk with.
How the hell he has 700 plus in Hermes? Damn, cause he at A2, cause he
don't take.
Cause he from Africa, and you know they all know each other and shit like that.
Your help, huh?
What, you mind? Wait, what you mean? He's in easy A2. Is it easier in America? I mean, not in America, in Africa. I don't know.
Move. Hello. Hello.
So they don't have the same ranks and stuff as us? I thought they did. I'm confused. AK to get a frag today? We might could push for that fragment. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way a galaxy fucking hit him a fucking glove. Nigga, we was never playing quiet game. Is you cool?
Shut up. Small,
Diamond gun.
Small.
Diamond gun to help you. Diamond gun to help you.
Shut up, small. You are small. Come on.
You got it, big bro. The fuck?
Hello.
You're muted.
Hey. Hello.
Remy, thank you. I appreciate you so fucking much. W, Remy, come in here to show support today. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hello. Hey.
What?
Talk with me.
You don't want me to help you find a rich best friend?
Hello. One, okay? This around punishment, okay? Okay. Namiti Yalbandu Batu. This around, if you win, punish me. If me win, I punish you, okay?
I don't agree to the terms.
You don't do punishment?
No.
Why?
I don't play. Wait, what type of punishment?
African dance. Baby, calm down. You have no number? No. This Taula?
I don't know how to do no motherfucking African dance.
You fucker.
No tea, no shade, but baby, I'm Puerto Rican. I know I ain't African. I'm Puerto Rican. No tea, no shade.
Why are we here? The other one gets one.
Like hello.
Listen. Hello. This round, if you win, punish me. Ana punishment. Ana do punishment. If me win, you do punishment. Okay?
Why you keep tripping, Loki? What do you mean? Why I keep tripping? I'm not even what? I can't be funny. Fuck.
Oromo turim half Tito Kosura Yakata Jesus.
I'm not doing no fucking African dance though, for real. I don't know how to dance.
No, African dance like that. Baby, like, hey, no, like.
That's all I'ma dance.
Like.
Yeah.
Under the table. No, this under the table.
Oh hell no. Nah.